Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add MetaMask to your Chrome browser. First, we'll navigate to the Chrome Web Store to locate the official MetaMask extension. Then, I'll guide you through the simple process of installing it directly into your browser. Finally, we'll cover the essential initial setup steps, including creating a new wallet or importing an existing one, ensuring you are ready to securely interact with decentralized applications. This entire process takes just a few minutes. To start, open your Chrome browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Once there, use the search bar, typically located at the top, and type in MetaMask. You should see the official MetaMask extension appear in the search results. Click on it, and then simply select the Add to Chrome button. A small pop-up will ask for confirmation. Click Add Extension to complete this step. The installation usually takes only a few seconds. After installation, a small orange fox icon representing MetaMask will appear in your browser's toolbar. Click on this icon to begin the setup process. You will be presented with two options: create a new wallet or import wallet. If you are new, choose to create a new one. You will then be guided to set a strong, unique password for your wallet. Remember this password, as it is crucial for accessing your funds locally on your device. The most critical step is securing your secret recovery phrase. MetaMask will present you with a 12-word phrase. It is absolutely essential to write this down on a piece of paper or multiple pieces and store it offline in a very safe and private place. This phrase is the master key to your wallet. Anyone with it can access your funds. Never, under any circumstances, share this phrase with anyone, even if they claim to be from MetaMask support. Keep it secret. Keep it safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.